Good morning, student. In the last previous class, we have taken 2.2 exercise and given some more homework. And here next topic is remainder theorem. I told you the pattern of the division in the polynomial equation. P of x equal to d of x into q of x plus of r of x. Based on that one, we will do the exercise number 2.3. What is given in the first question? Find the remainder. Polynomial equation is given x cube plus of 3x square plus 3x plus 1. When it is divided by x plus 1, another 2 or 3 problem is given. So first I have taken x plus 1. Normal polynomial division I am doing. I am writing inside the division bracket x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 divides x plus 1. Then first term I am seeing x cube. So first term we are seeing x, I have to multiply by x square, so it will become x cube. Same positive sign you have to multiply. Then second term x square, under x square term I am writing. Then minusing, same the sign. These two will be getting cancelled. And 3, this is minus 1. 3 minus 1, 2x square. Bring this one next term, 3x. Then see first term is 2x square. What you have to multiply? 2x I am multiplying, see the first term. 2x square is there. Second term as it is plus 2x, under x term I am writing. Then changing the sign, these two will be cancelled. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. That is 1x plus of bringing this 1 here next term. Then you are saying x plus 1. Here also x plus 1. So how many times you have to multiply? Only one time. 1 into x, 1 into 1, 1. So if you are minusing, you are getting 0. So when you are dividing x cube 3x square plus 3x plus 1, by first problem x plus 1, a linear equation is given because degree is 1. You are getting quotient is x square plus 2x plus 1. Remainder is 0. They are asking what is the find the remainder. So when you are dividing these two, you are getting remainder 0. In other way also you can do for linear polynomial equation. If it is exacting dividing means this factor should be equal to 0. So what are the, if it is a division of linear equation, then P of x is given, this factor should be equal to 0. So x will become minus 1. Take this minus 1 and substitute in this equation. You will get directly the remainder. So I am minus 1 cube, 3 into minus 1 square, plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. If I am removing the bracket, I am getting minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 plus 1. All will be cancelled. Minus 1 minus will be cancelled, plus 3 minus 3 will be cancelled. This way also you are getting remainder 0. See, when a polynomial asking division and what is the remainder alone they are asking means you can either do by this division method finding the remainder or this factor method converting the divisor into a factor x value, that value you substitute in the polynomial equation, then directly you can find the r of x remainder. Second and third you take it as a homework. Fourth one, x plus of pi equal to 0. What I have taken this equation once again divide by x plus pi. So I am considering this x plus pi will divide that one. So I am making this one is a factor. So x plus pi equal to 0, x will become minus pi value. Then I am substituting in the given equation by this factorization method. Then I am getting the r of x equal to minus pi cube plus of 1. You are getting remainder because pi value is a recurring irrational number, so you will be getting remainder minus pi cube plus of 1. Same thing, fifth problem. The same equation should be divided by 5 plus of 2x. That factor. I am assuming this is division. Dividing is a factor, so I am equating to 0. The x value is minus 5 upon 2. I am substituting in the given equation. P of minus 5 upon 2 I am taking. Then minus 5 upon 2, 3. Raised to the power of 3, 3 plus 3 into minus 5 upon square plus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 plus 1. Then I am simplifying. I am getting a number of minus 125 upon 8 plus 75 upon 4 minus 15 upon 2 plus of 1. Then I am taking LCM here, simplifying this one. 8 is the LCM. So here as it is, here 2 you have to multiply, so it will become plus 150. Here 8 you have to multiply, so minus 4 you have to multiply, minus 60. Then here 8, 1 into 8, 8. Then simplify minus term plus term. I am getting 185 minus 158 plus. Then once again simplify, I am getting minus 27 upon 8. What is that? that is nothing but r of x remainder. By factor equating to 0 and substituting in the given equation, you will get the remainder directly. Okay. This is the first question problem, and 2 and 3 are homework. Second question, they are asking whether x minus a is a factor of given polynomial equation. And so x minus a is a factor means I am equating to 0, so x will become, this will go this side, so it will become plus a. Then I am substituting in the x value. So x cube minus ax square plus of 6x minus a. I am putting p of a. Then I am putting here x cube a cube, a into x a square, it will become minus a cube. Then plus of 6x is there. Then a I am substituting 6a. Then minus a is there. Then I am simplifying here, plus a cube minus a cube get cancelled. Here plus 6a minus a is there. What is the difference? So 5a. So remainder of this polynomial equation is 5a. Directly by factoring, inserting the factor and finding the r of x. Then third question, p of x is given as 3x cube plus of 7x. They are asking 7 plus of 3x is a factor of this polynomial. Factor of polynomial means what? This value you are equating to 0, x value you are getting. If you are putting this x value, p of x should be 0. So that is the condition. If it is 0 means this x 7 plus of 3x is the factor. So what I am done, I am equating for the x minus 7 upon 3. Then I am taking and substituting the given polynomial equation. P of minus 7 upon 3. So 3 into minus 3 or 7 upon 3 raised to cube plus 7 minus 7 upon 3. That's all. This is our problem. So now I am simplifying. 3 into 3 times. So 3 times I multiply. Plus of 7 into minus 7 upon 3. Then I am multiplying, simplifying here. I am getting minus 343 upon 9, one fraction. Minus of 49 upon 3, another fraction. Then once again I am simplifying, taking LCM. I am getting minus 490 upon 9. That means what? You are getting remainder. If you are getting the remainder means what is the meaning? That given 7 plus 3x is not a factor of the given polynomial. That means this one exactly not dividing this one. Like if 0 if is coming means that is a factor. If 0 is not coming means it is not a factor. So we are getting a remainder. So it is not a factor. So what you have to conclude? Therefore 7 plus 3x is not a factor of 3x cube plus of 7. So up to this one 2.3 exercise we have completed. Next topic is factorization, that we will continue in the coming classes. Okay, thank you.